Yeah, man, yes, sir, boss. I represent for Jamaican Chat, Baddest Channel. I mean, alone in all the dog.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot vlogging at the morning, yeah. So me I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know what to give Father God thanks. Thanks to Father God, so we have life, my people. Alright, you know, don't see what go on the screen. Yes, sir. Big link up go on between Valiant and Silk Boss himself. And the next update we have phone is that Beenie Man donated millions to some people in Papin that lost their house due to fire and the Jeep. Basically, build them back a house. You see what I say? So we're going to jump into the video there. And also Valiant teams up with Vybz Kartel. We're going to touch all of them, update them, my people. We'll soon come back, show you what going with Beenie Man, take care of the Papin people them. Stay tuned, my people.
The people must burn down run a standby. Then, so we assist them with some material so them can build back them up. You see it? So yeah, that will happen. Beenie Man Foundation. Bless you.
On the hilltop like curfew, dirty government of man.
Sure they are. Yeah man, they are standby. That's it. See it? All that work can go on, you see it? Right through and stuff. Yeah man. You can't see the fire damage over there, sir. The fire damage right there, sir. You know the whole place button, like the whole of yourself, flat, like flat.
Yeah, when you don't see what go on, the people them lose them place up a Papin due to fire, and you see me? Beenie Man Foundation step in and I get helping. And so big up yourself where that is concerned, Beenie Man. And the people them over Papin, you don't know. Ben for hear that, sorry for hear that, you see me? But see Beenie Man here step in here and him a go, you know, do the do. And other people who have money, who can just, you see me, farm up on a foundation and help out some poor people too. You understand? People when time Jamaican Chat take off the right way, believe me, we are go to help people. And hear the hand in the background of the car, that is a seal of my people. You understand? Alright, take me over to the next update, my people. Alright, when you don't see what go on, Silk Boss link up with Valiant. But before me jump there, sir, Valiant actually link up with Vybz Kartel. You understand, my people? And everybody, this did have to go on. This did have to go on. You understand? I mean, Valiant are the hottest dancehall entertainer right now. And Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist so Jamaica has ever seen. You my back, Brad. So anybody who have anything bad to say about that, let me know about it in the comment section. You understand? Alright, so just check out the link up here, my people. We'll soon come back.
She can see her life without me, she's so blind. Different color, they say tell me. She can see her life without me, she's so blind.
Alright, my people, and tell me anything about that. That one that sound like it a got hot. You understand? Sound like it a got very hot, and the title on it is coming soon. So everybody just gear up. That tune there is coming out soon. Alright, my people. So this takes us over to the major update right now. You understand? And the reason why this is so much of a major update for us is because everybody been saying this. There's a lot of time when Valiant do a song, everybody say, yo, this sound like it to that, you know, take a Silk Boss collab. Like the song where him release Valentine's Day. The lover boy, them call me a lover boy, I'm a lover boy. Everybody I say, yo, Silk Boss should have done on that track there. Everybody I say that. If you check the comment section, everyone is literally saying that. You understand? So I'm glad for see that link up here. I'm glad for see that vibe here. What go on right here, so. And the man them actually have a little sneak preview on a project where them a deal with already, my people. And that me I go left on with today. You hear that? So you don't know, as usual, me I be gonna just like up the video here, share, subscribe, Make we get the word out, my people. And everybody, please stay locked. Stay tuned to Jamaican Chat, my people. We will be taking the BRT experience to you this weekend, my people. You understand? Stay locked to Jamaican Chat. Big up on yourself. And you don't know, BRT I got loud, my people. Skeng, Valiant, Ding Dang Rivers I got there. Mad thing, my people. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Forget it now because we're not going to wait for